Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Dudley Banks. Hope you're doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draft a hood. If you want to learn how to do it, just stay tuned. I'll be needing the following materials: my front and back basic bodice pattern, a fresh pattern paper, measuring tape, a pair of scissors, my rulers, and of course my marker. I'll need my overhead measurement, that is measurement taken from the center front neck between the clavicles. I'll hold the end of the tape while passing it up and over my head, and I'll divide what I get by 3, and I'm going to add 0.75 inches to that. Next, I'll take the horizontal measurement. I'll place the tape at the airline at the eye level and measure to the other side. Then whatever measurement I get, I'm going to divide that by 2, and I'll record that. For instance, my measurement is 16 inches. I'll divide that by 2 and that'll give me 8 inches, and that's what I'm going to use for my draft. So first of all, I will just want to give you a breakdown of what we're doing. We're going to be working on a contoured hood. It's a hood with darts, fits the shape of the head with controlled darts at the crown and neck area. The hood is attached at the neckline of the garment, starting at the center front. So let's get started. After taking my overhead measurement, I got 27 inches. I'll divide that by 3 and that will give me 9 inches. So to that 9 inches, I'm going to add 0.75. That will give me 9.75 inches. And I'll score a line downwards. And on this line, I'll insert this same 9.75 inches minus 1 inch. And that will give me 8.75, and that's what I'm going to mark here. So I marked 8.75 here, while I marked 9.5 inches here. And at this point, I'm going to go down by 1.5 inches. And draw a line down. Okay. Remember this 9.75 line? I'm going to divide that into 2 equal parts. That's 9.75 divided by 2, and I'll mark the midpoint here. And then from this point, I'll go out by 0.75 inch. And remember, my horizontal measurement is 16, so I'll divide that by 2. That will give me 8 inches. So from this point, I'll mark 8 inches. And I'll just connect that line. And then on this 8.75 line, I'm going to mark 1 inch out there. And the distance from here to here is 8.75. I'm going to divide that into 2 equal halves, and I'll mark whatever I get there. 8.75 divided by 2 gave me 4.375, and that's what I'm marking there. So from here to here is 4.375, and from here to here is 4.375 as well. Now I'll be needing my back pattern. I will not be needing the zipper allowance for this tutorial, so I'll fold it out of the way and I'll place it on this line, making sure to start from this point here, and I'll trace the neckline. So the next thing I'm going to do is to mark 0.75 inch away from this point here and place my back pattern back on that 0.75, and then I'll trace the shoulder, stop at the midpoint of my shoulder. Sorry, my daughter wants my marker. I'll make sure to make these points pronounced, and I'll join the line like so. Then I'll extend a guideline from the shoulder line and then I'll place the shoulder of my front pattern on the guideline at this point. Making sure the shoulder at neck is touching the point. This point it's touching this point. Then I'll trace the front neck and I'll note the center front of the neck. From this point, I'll measure 3 inches like so and go in by 0.375 inch, and then I'll connect this point to that point. So starting from this point, I'll mark 0.75 inch downwards and 1.125 inch on both sides of the line. That's 1.125 inches on both sides of the line. And connect that into a straight line. Next, I'll measure this line and divide it into 3 equal parts. So after measuring, I got 12 inches. 12 divided by 3, that gave me 4 inches. Doesn't make sense right now. So I'll connect this point to this point all the way to this point. Next, I'll connect here to here and here. Then I'll connect here to here and here all the way down. Lastly, I'll be drawing the neck dot, then the dot at the crown. I'll measure the distance between here and here. That's 1 inch. And the center of that is 0.5 inch. I'll mark that. And then I'll go up by 3 inches. And then I'll draw a straight line to connect the points. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't realize my camera was no longer recording. What I showed you last was this line. I went upwards by 3 inches. And then I drew the dart leg off camera. That's connected this line to this line, this point to this point. The next thing I did off camera was a crown dart. I simply connected this point and this point to this. I did this straight line like so and here as well, and I measured these lines. They are of equal length. It's 3.5 inches here and 3.5 inches here as well. And then I got the midpoint of that line as 3.5 divided by 2. That gave me 1.75 inches. So I'll mark 1.75 inches here and here as well on the outer line. And for the inner curved line, what I did was from the center point of this outer line, I went in by 0.125 inch. But since my tape, you won't see my tape clearly because of this metal, I'll mark from my 1 inch mark. So I'll be marking 0.125 on my tape starting from the 1 inch mark. So from this point to this point is 0.125, and I did the same for this side. And use my curved ruler to connect this part to this part and here as well. So that's how I came about this. So this is how to draft a darted hood. I'll cut this out and show you how to cut this on fabric and sew it in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please put this into practice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.